Jeez, look at this landscape. How did they figure out how to do a road here? They must have been planning it out, masterminding, because it's not easy. These hills and ravines and all this is sedimentary that's been piling up here for many, many hundreds of thousands, if not millions of years, and they're compacted, and solidified. And so it's not the hardest rock, but I would imagine it's still pretty hard. You can see the cutaway here. And they had to cut through all this because it's just very gnarly landscape. This reminds me of south of Israel, the southern region. I've seen this type of thing, like in the Negev. Well, I mean, it reminds me also of Mexico in the Baja area. That desert there, Sonoran Desert. This is the Mojave Desert. So it has a couple of similarities, all these places. The couple things, first I would say, is the shape of the hills and the rock. And the other thing I would say is the type of vegetation. There's not very much. It's very scraggly and dry, and I would say that the Negev in Israel has the least amount that I've seen. It's very dry. Here we have the convergence of Arizona, Nevada, and also Utah is very close to this place. Oh, and here it is. We're coming up. All right, everybody, hold your breath now. I think this is the Hoover Dam. That must be the bridge that goes in front of the Hoover Dam. Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Okay. I know you've been waiting all day for this. Different kind of rock colors, just amazing. Very fascinating. It's like so similar to the Negev in Israel and the Sinai Peninsula. It is so similar. Wow. Wow. It's a little bit harder, the rock here. This rock is much more dense than over in Mexico, but maybe the same density as the ones in Israel. We went over a little bridge, and now we're going up a little bit. Yeah, see, there's a lot of power lines. Oh, that must be the dam down there. There's a lot of power lines, so it tells me that it could be generating power. These are high voltage. So, oh, no stopping on the bridge. So we're just gonna go like slow. Can't see anything. Can you see anything?
No.
Can't see anything. Oh, it's down there. Wow. We're on the bridge and we can't even see the dam. That damn dam, where is it?
No way.
Oh, that damn dam. I don't have time to pull over for this. But there's a lot of people taking pictures and sightseeing. You can see them. And crossing into Nevada, it's a different time zone. Lovely. Okay. That was it. Thanks for watching the Hoover Dam special.